Guys, it is Monday, January 31st. Today I have a lot of work things going on. I have to do some brand deals. I have a meeting with a very exciting partnership that hopefully is going to be happening very soon, and I have to do that in 2 hours. So I thought, what better time to start a vlog than 2 hours before my day needs to begin. Riley just left for work and now I'm going to get ready. So let's have a good Monday together and hopefully some motivation to get whatever you need to get done. I'm doing work, like I said, and also the house. She needs help. So let's get today started. Not sure what part of me thought to myself, you know, you're going to be doing a Zoom meeting and it's for like a pretty well-known brand, like you should look like a 5-year-old. So it's pigtail day today. Don't ask me why, don't ask me how I came up with this. I really and truly am just trying to get into the habit of like doing my makeup more, or my hair more each day, because I find that when I do buns all the time, she's kind of like my low-key depressive calling card. Like when my hair's in a bun consistently, I'm not doing well because it's just easy and it's fast. But I find that now that that's been like my thing for quite a few years, that when I do my hair like that, I actually start to feel like, you know, sis, you're falling out, you're regressing, you're not doing your best. So I'm trying to get back in the habit of doing my hair different each day. I did a lot when Riley and I were dating, and then I just got comfortable, which as I should with a man that makes me feel like that has nothing to do with the amount of affection or love that he has for me. But now for myself, it's taking a toll on how much I feel that way about me. But I wanted to update you guys on work for today. So I don't think I've ever talked about like what all goes into like brand deals or making content for a brand. So if you have a manager like me, Gianna's fantastic. She does all the like side work for me so I can just focus on making content and fulfilling, you know, whatever we mutually decide is best for me to like work with or move forward with as far as like brand deals and campaigns go. And the difference is brand deals most of the time have money that come attached to them, and campaigns are more like a gifted thing, or at least in my experience, that's like the terminology that I've seen used a lot to differentiate the two. And so for today, I did one for Dippin' Daisies, which are like one of my favorite bikini brands ever. I love them so much. They recently did a collab with Mina. I forgot her last name, but I'll put her on the screen. But her collab was so cute and I'm so obsessed with it. And I was so happy that Dippin' Daisies wanted to work together again. All of their things, they're so size inclusive, they're so cute. And so I got some more pieces and I had to take some pictures, and they're just gonna go on my story. So I had Riley do that. Obviously he's my brand deal person. He takes all my pictures always anyways. But all of the time I just like have him, I tell him like what my concept is or what I'm thinking, and then I'll kind of give him like a I don't know, like a reference picture. I'll like take one of him or be able to show him something on Pinterest, and then he really pops off. So I sent it back to Gianna, she sends it back to Dippin' Daisies, and then they decide if they like the content or if I need to try something else. And luckily they approved it, and I'm so happy because I love these pictures, and I honestly had my first like bump with Photoshop in them, not on myself. If you did that on yourself, that's perfectly fine. But for me, that's just not part of my whole thing, my whole life. I tried to make it look like I was at the beach because they're obviously a bikini brand, therefore their like feeds and all of that are very, you know, very summery, very tropical, very, you know, summer dream here. And I am here in Colorado where it's very much 23 degrees, snowing periodically, freezing, death. So I was like, okay, well, very quickly, I'm gonna put on this bikini, and then we're going to like go into the sliding doors here, and we're gonna make it look like, you know, I'm at a condo or something. So that's what we did, and I really liked how they turned out. I had to get my table, my kitchen table was like in the background a little bit, and we still had the Christmas tree up at the time, so I was like trying to get those out of the background so it looked very clean, very sleek, and very just, you know, that's not part of the fantasy. That wouldn't be at your condo in Miami, you know what I'm saying? When I first started doing this, I just kind of took like any and every brand deal that came up, because I was like, this is so cool, it's so exciting, etc, etc. And now obviously that I, you know, have a following and I genuinely care about what I'm putting out to you guys, and it's not just about, you know, obviously income is income, but at the end of the day, if I'm showing you guys stuff that isn't what I say it is, that's only going to reflect poorly on me. Therefore you won't come to me for these things, and in the end result I will not be getting brand deals, because me and my followers just don't have that. We don't have that trust, we don't have that connection. I just need to put in about what I like about the bikinis, and then tell you guys where you can get them. And I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys like the pieces. I took two, well, they think I took two. I really took like, I would say this is a good like 200. I'm just going to post these real quick, and then it'll be near out time to start setting up for the meeting. Okay, so I just finished my story frames, and I'm so excited. They look so cute. If it ever focus. Anyways, you get the gist. I just finished my story frames, and now it is time to get on Google for my meeting. Did I say I was nervous? Because I am. I just got all set up. Hopefully the dogs can be like good for the portion of this meeting, but we shall see. I'm super excited, and I'm like, I hope they like me. But I wanted to bring up, do you guys like this camera quality? Because I recently got a G7X and I love her, so that is, I want to know if you guys can like tell a difference. So comment down below if you can tell a difference between quality or not. I'm in love. I like this style. This is gonna like really motivate me to like vlog. I mean, I just got this yesterday, and here I am doing technically 2 videos today, because I'm also going to be doing my house tour today, and I'm gonna be getting one of these videos up on Wednesday. So yeah. That's embarrassing. I was like sitting here, right, and it's 11:06, and I was like, Miss Girl, I know I'm not that prompt. I just know that isn't me, you know? And so I texted Gianna, as you saw, yeah, 2 hours early. So the meeting is at noon her time, which is 1 my time. So like I said, the whole time difference thing, a little confusing. Okay, so I have so many veggies in my fridge. Issue is, I don't have any meat besides this. So I found ground chicken, and I think I'm just going to make, I don't know, I made firecracker chicken with this once, and just, we had like little bowls. So I think I might do something like that again. I have a bunch of good sauces and spices and stuff in my cabinet right now. So that's what we're gonna do for lunch.
Why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people?
I'm not gonna sit here and act like there aren't dishes in my bedroom also. Yeah. Alrighty. That's embarrassing. Okay guys, so I'm all set up in the bathroom right now. These are my packages from Shark for my hair video I have to do for them. I'm super excited about this. I don't do a lot of like beauty content, so I'm really excited to give this a go, see how we do, because I'm not used to like filming beauty stuff. I'm like kind of nervous, and I'm acting like it's like a whole different formula of like making content. It's really not, but they sent me some like just ideas to help me figure out what I wanted to do, so that was super helpful, and it's actually a lot less maintenance than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to do like a very in-depth, like telling you exactly what I was doing all the time, and that's just not the case, so thank goodness, because I was like, how do I articulate doing this? Because like sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing with my hair. It just kind of different days, different things pop up, different things I like, I don't like, so I don't even have a formula of like what I like to do with my hair where I could even tell you that, so let alone tell you how I'm using a whole product, so, or like a whole machine. But anyways, so I just got dressed. I'm gonna be wearing this sweater in the video. This is from Bold Boutique. It's on my Instagram and my links highlight if you want to get a better look at it. This ugly yellow light in my bathroom. I have to like remember to get like white light bulbs because I hate this lighting. It's so gross. Like I look yellow. No thank you. So what's probably going to happen honestly is I'm probably gonna go in my room and like put my ring light up and put my phone like that and then do it that way, because this yellow light is just not it, girl. It's not gonna be happening. But I'm at least gonna stand here and style my hair real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put product in it and use my diamond brush and just get my curls formed how I want it, and that's normally my first step before I diffuse anyway. So I'm gonna do that real fast, and then we'll get into making the video, and then I'll feel so good. I don't know why. I'm trying to be better this year at like when I do sponsored things, because normally I'll wait like today until like the day they would like to have the content, and then I all of a sudden feel super overwhelmed when I actually have a lot of time. But you know what I'm saying. So one of my like work resolutions this year is to get better about doing content in a timelier fashion, so I don't have to worry about it. Alright, so I just got done putting product in my hair, brushing with a diamond brush just to get my curls to like clump together, and now we are ready to start filming the video. I am actually really excited to see like what my hair looks like after this. I have started to really love diffusing. I didn't but like always, but she's become a new love of mine. Draco. Okay, Bubby. He always, I love my dog. I love my dogs, but Draco always just does so much. Like, he doesn't realize like how big bodied he is, and he is just no, see? Oh my gosh. Yeah, my point exactly. When are you going to grow some brain cells, babe? Okay, so I just got finished diffusing my hair. I really like it. I feel like it did really good. Just getting all my curls dry, and definitely not faster than air drying does it. But I am doing like a before and like a get ready with me type of thing. So now I'm just going to do my makeup in my phone. Good morning, besties. It is the next day. I got a little sidetracked as far as like editing and things like that go for yesterday. So today I wanted to pick up the video and just do a few more things with you guys. I have to shoot for a campaign today. I'm just doing it in the comfort of my home, as my favorite campaign shootings go. So I'm doing one for Proof. They are like a period proof, leak proof underwear brand, and I'm super excited for that because I want to incorporate more like, I don't know, I want to, as much as I like to do like outfits and like curvy inspo for like fashion and whatnot, I also want to incorporate, you know, just being in my body. So I'm super excited for that. I have a few other things I want to shoot for today that go along with that. I have some things from Lounge that I really love, and I want to work with them more in the future, and I want to stay in their brains. So I'm going to be posting something in one of their sets of lingerie also, but I'm just waiting for my the girl I've been in contact with through Proof. I just emailed her just to make sure that we're on the same page as far as like concepts go, because I'm thinking of just shooting like, I have this nice spacious like white wall in my house, and it's right in front of my back doors here, so like it's a lot of good light. So I'm thinking about just doing like a little lifestyle photo and just talking about why I have grown to love Proof inside my caption. So I just emailed her that. Just waiting on that. But I'm about to start shooting, I think. I'm just sitting here, Timo playing in the background while I've been answering emails. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna take my pictures. Sorry for the echo, but I'm just wearing this thong bottom from Proof. And I'm just gonna take a few pictures. I just found this simple like white crop top that I have from Target, because normally for campaigns, for like non-lingerie brands, and just because they're on Instagram, they like find a way to take it down. You don't just have it all out. For my ring light, it's also like Bluetooth, so when Riley's not here, which he is here, but it doesn't really matter. But when he's not here, I can use a little clicker and just kind of hide it. So, finished up now. I'm just waiting on that email like I told you guys earlier, where I said like asked her if she wanted to see the pictures first. If not, I have quite a few that I really love, so I'm very excited about that. And that TikTok's gonna be so cute that we just made, so I'll probably post that a little bit later also. But now it's time to eat lunch, so make sure you eat lunch today. Work for right now. I'm gonna have to edit that later and put it together, but I don't have to send it in until by the end of the day. So we're good on that, and now Riley and I are going to go on a date. Hey guys, it is way later and a lot less quality video here, but I just want to do an outro and thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on my work days with me. I really like making a video like this, so comment down below if you want to see like more work days of like, or just like what goes on behind being a content creator and stuff, because this was really fun. And I'll see you guys later.